Hello everyone. The episode starts with Ahilya pacifying Khande Rao. She says, "We will fight with this addiction together." He asks, "Do you trust me so much?" She says, "Yes, I always pray for your success." He hugs her. They cry. He says, "You always think of Darbar." She says, "I love a prince. I can't forget my duty." He says, "I will get ready and come." She goes. Renu meets her. Ahilya asks her why she is upset. Renu says, "I am fine. How is Khande Rao now?" Ahilya says, "He is like a kid. I had to push him to get ready and go to the darbar. I always have to encourage him and convince him. It's tough to handle him." Renu says, "So many complaints with him, like he is useless." Ahilya says, "No, he is very capable. He doesn't know his talent." Renu says, "It's fine. Lucky people get a chance to complain about husband. If I had a husband, then maybe I would have done the same." She goes. Ahilya thinks, "You showed me your pain today. I will think about your betterment. I have to find a way to solve your problem." Malhar is in the darbar. He recalls his decision. Tukoji says, "We are ready for the Rajputana mission." Malhar will announce the name of the person chosen for this mission. Malhar looks on. Guard says a soldier has come with Peshwa's message. Malhar permits him to come inside. The soldier comes and gives the letter to Tukoji. Tukoji says Peshwa wants to choose Khande Rao as the Senapati for the Rajputana mission. After seeing how he handled the fort mission, Peshwa will be pleased if this happens. Gunnoji gets shocked. Parikshit chants Khande Rao's name. Dhannaji says this can't be called a command, it's just a suggestion. Gunnoji should become the Senapati. There is no time to take this suggestion and think of it. Malhar says, "If I don't take this suggestion, then it will be disrespect of Peshwa. I want you all to decide whom to send for the mission, Gunnoji or Khande Rao. I won't be part of this voting." Tukoji asks the people to raise hands in support of Gunnoji. Dhannaji and some people raise hands. Tukoji thanks them and asks the people to raise hands in support of Khande Rao. Some people raise hands. Gangoba, Parikshit and Tukoji are also in the favor of Khande Rao. Malhar says, "We can decide by the majority. Khande Rao will be the Senapati of the Rajputana mission." Everyone chants Khande Rao's name. Khande Rao gets good wishes and hugs his supporters. Gotama goes Khande Rao's Aarti. Ahilya also does his Aarti. Malhar says, "You have 10 days. You can ask for suggestions. You have to keep Peshwaji respect, win and come." He blesses Khande Rao. Gotama thanks Ahilya for bringing Malhar and Khande Rao together. Dwarka is with Gunnoji. She gets angry and says, "We have to make Khande Rao away." Ahilya thanks Shivji. She comes to Khande Rao. He says Gangoba gave him so much work. She says there was a special letter also. He says, "I will ask him about the mission before I leave." She says, "Whenever we get information from Gangoba or Malhar, we just get an idea from them. When we read it ourselves, we understand it better." She gives him sweets. He eats it and says, "It's really sweet. You are the one who likes the sweets so much." She says, "Everyone will see your talent and become your fan." He asks, "Really?" She says, "Yes, they will praise you." He says, "I got a chance today to prove my capability. I think the picture will change now. Else, all my work is seen as a mistake." Malhar looks on.